Today, you will learn how to view your results and assessor feedback in the Learner portal. Let's start by looking at our home screen. Here you can see the Recent Results tab. Take note that if you click on the Recent Results tab, it will show all submitted and marked assessments for all courses you are enrolled in. This will not show assessments that are unsatisfactory. To view your results per unit, click on the full program. This will take you to the course overview page. Next, scroll down and click on the cluster or module you wish to view. Select Assessment. Then click on the Results tab. Here you will be able to view which assessments are already completed, and which ones you need to resubmit. Click on the assessment you wish to view. This will take you to the overview page of the assessment. From here, select Results. You will now be able to view your results and the feedback from your assessor. If you wish to resubmit the assessment, just click on the Start Attempt button. And this concludes our presentation.